Welcome to our channel. Let's dive into the animal kingdom and discover some amazing and heartwarming fun facts about our furry, feathered, and finned friends. Get ready to be amazed. Fact 1. Did you know that a group of flamingos is called a flamboyance? These beautiful birds are not just graceful but also have an amazing sense of community. They stick together like family, making their gatherings a true spectacle. Fact 2. Imagine having a superpower that allows you to taste with your feet. Well, that's precisely what butterflies do. Their taste receptors are located on their feet, helping them find the perfect flowers to feast upon. Fact 3. Kangaroos are not just expert jumpers, they're also incredible swimmers. These marsupials can swim with ease, and they're known to take a dip to cool off on hot Australian days. Fact 4. Meet the cutest architects in the animal kingdom, beavers. These industrious creatures build intricate dams using sticks and mud to create their cozy lodges. Some of these dams can be seen from space. Fact 5. Octopuses are masters of disguise. They can change color, texture, and shape to blend seamlessly with their surroundings. It's like having the ultimate invisibility cloak. Fact 6. The laughter of a kookaburra is contagious. These Australian birds have a call that sounds just like human laughter. Next time you're in the bush, keep an ear out for this merry tune. Fact 7. Honeybees are incredible mathematicians. When they return to the hive after foraging, they perform a waggle dance to communicate the direction and distance of the food source. It's a dance that's as precise as GPS. Fact 8. Sloths may be slow, but they're champions of sleep. Some sloths can sleep up to 20 hours a day, conserving their energy for those brief moments of activity. Fact 9. Male seahorses are the real dads of the ocean. They carry and give birth to their babies. Yes, you heard it right. These fathers-to-be have special pouches to protect and nurture their offspring. Fact 10. Have you ever heard of tardigrades? These microscopic creatures, also known as water bears, are nearly indestructible. They can survive extreme conditions, including outer space and the deepest ocean trenches. And there you have it, 10 incredible fun facts about the diverse and amazing creatures that share our planet. From the smallest insects to the largest mammals, the animal kingdom never ceases to amaze us. Join us next time for more.